The Internet Engineering Task Force, also known as IETF, is a large open community that helps write the rules or standards for how the internet works. What are these standards used for? As an example, when you buy a router, it doesn't matter where in the world you buy it. They work the same way everywhere because they all follow the same protocols. In the IETF, these standards are written in documents called RFCs. This is short for Request for Comments. There are different types of RFCs. For example, for RFC standards, everyone needs to follow the rules described in it. But there are also other types of RFCs that are less prescriptive. For example, some experimental RFCs for research or development work. There are also best current practice RFCs, where operational guidelines are provided. As you might know, there are working groups in RIPE. This is similar in the IETF, but there are a lot more of them on a wide variety of topics. In RIPE, the working group chairs decide whether there is consensus on a proposal. This is similar to the IETF. After the working group chairs declare consensus, the new documents are reviewed by delegates from other working groups. They review the document based on a wide range of criteria, including language and whether they understand what is written. These RFCs are not tied to a specific geographic region, but are applicable to the whole world. IETF meetings are held 3 times a year in different parts of the world. Everybody can participate, but all of the real work happens in the working groups online. How are RFCs written? RFCs are almost never written by one person. First, you would look for some co-authors and would pitch your ideas to some people you know. Then you would put something on paper. This needs to happen according to a specific template. Once you have the first draft, you would look around and email relevant working groups to ask for their opinion. A discussion would then take place online, and working group chairs would need to decide whether there is a working group adoption consensus. If this is not the case, you might be sent to another working group. Everyone can comment on your draft RFC. Often, you also need to be able to give a proof of concept. This means that you need to show that what you are proposing is technically possible. After that is proven and the draft has received positive feedback, then the draft would be reviewed by the Internet Engineering Steering Group for the final approval. This process is a great example of the multi-stakeholder approach. The more people who contribute ideas, the more resilient the internet becomes. If you have an idea for a standard, a best practice, or another way to improve the internet, I would really encourage you to reach out to others to discuss it. Who knows? You could be the next author of an IETF RFC.